I wish someone told me 20 years ago what we are meant to be eating. I wish I had that mentor. I wish, but I didn't. I had to find information myself through trial and error. I wasn't like always interested in nutrition, but I always kind of liked, natural remedies. I didn't like too much, drugs and all those medicinal things that doctors prescribe. So I grew up without having a single antibiotic. Thank you for my mom. May she rest in peace. So I grew up without this kind of knowledge that I wish I knew I had. But you know what they say? Better later than never. And I'm still so grateful that I was able to find this information. And I want to share with you guys, if you are in your 20s or 30s, please don't wait until it's too late. Start earlier. Try eating more fruits and vegetables. Try eating more raw, fresh, delicious, juicy fruits and vegetables. Just try eating a natural diet as much as you can, and you're gonna feel the difference in your body. You're gonna feel, you think you are invincible because you are still in your 20s, but time goes by so quickly. I thought nothing will ever happen to me. But then after I turned 40, and then 41, 42, 43, after I turned that age, I started feeling every single thing. Like I eat something and I immediately notice that something is wrong with my body. It's not working the way it's supposed to be working. Are we meant to be like falling apart once we turn 40? Like I'm gonna be 46 years old this year, in a couple of months actually. I'm gonna be 46 already, and I feel so much better. I feel better than I felt in my early 30s. So much better. And that's because I changed my diet. Like I completely drastically changed my diet. I changed it to the point that people think I'm a freak. Like a complete freak. This is what people think. Like my husband, he always jokes at me. Like we go to Costco, we go to do some sort of shopping, and and you know how at the end, at the exit, they try to check your shopping cart, make sure everything is correct and you didn't steal anything, stuff like that. So, and they always, when they check my shopping cart, they're like, whoa, you eat like so much bananas, you eat so many vegetables and fruits. How is it even possible? Like people are shocked that it is possible to eat like that. And I'm like, yeah, this is what I eat. I don't eat meat, I don't eat any dairy, I don't eat any of that. So this is what I eat. And my husband is like, and she's not just vegan, she's raw vegan. I don't know, I think he's like a little bit embarrassed, I guess, with me. Well, I'm not 100% raw vegan, okay? Sometimes I might eat some sweet potato or some curry with rice or curry with potato. I might eat that. I'm not like 100%. But most of the time when I'm home, I am eating my fruits, vegetables, my salads, my wraps, my whatever I can do with raw food, I will eat it. And and I just feel so good this way. I feel amazing. And I wish somebody told me 20 years ago that I could feel so much better. And perhaps I would have even looked better if I didn't basically, ruin myself by drinking and smoking and eating crap and eating, Pringles and all kinds of junk and constantly ordering Chinese food and eating Dunkin' Donuts. This is what I used to eat. And don't even get me started on coffee. Like I used to be a coffee maniac, okay? I used to drink like 5 cups a day at some point. I basically lived on coffee and cigarettes. That's what I did. It was awful. And then, of course, I was drinking alcohol on weekends, partying, barely sleeping. I did a lot of bad things and I am not proud of, but you know what? It's better later than never. I'm so grateful that I was able to find this kind of information, and I'm so grateful to share this with you guys, because don't wait, okay? Don't wait. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect day. Just start today. Like instead of those potato chips that you have hiding in your car somewhere, don't eat that. Go to the store, get a package of squishy figs and enjoy them, or get a bag of apples, wash them and eat them. That's it. It's as simple as this, okay? It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be super difficult to deal with, okay? This is food, okay? we're looking at fruit just as like once in a blue moon snack, but this is food actually, and we're supposed to respect that. We're supposed to respect it to the point that it belongs to us. We're supposed to be eating it, okay? This is the food, this is the fuel that humans are designed to eat. This is our species specific diet, okay? Go ahead and tell gorilla, right? Because we're frugivores. We are closely related to frugivores. Those gorillas, orangutans, chimpanzees. We have 99.9%, I believe, DNA similar to chimpanzees. And their diet is mostly fruit with some greens, right? Mostly plant-based. So go tell that gorilla that she cannot eat those bananas because she's gonna have diabetes. Come on. No, they are designed to eat that, and we are closely related to them. And we are designed to eat that too, okay? We're designed to eat all those sweet fruits. Our brain thrives on it. Our brain fog will lift if we eat that. Like, I know because I've tried it. Because I've been doing this for a while already, not as long as like some other raw vegans, but I've been doing this for more than a year already. Well, before that I was obviously vegan and I was eating still a lot of fruits, but not as much as I'm eating right now. And I can tell you right now the difference is huge. It's huge. It's just humongous. I feel so much better this way. And I wish somebody told me this 20 years ago. So I'm telling you guys, don't waste your life. Don't waste your time. Go get some fruit and eat your fruit, okay? We are designed to eat fruit. Just trust me on this, because we are designed to eat fruit. So go buy and eat some fruit and enjoy it. Enjoy until you're fully satisfied, until you feel good. You're gonna feel the difference, okay? So I thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it, and I would really like to have you here. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.